For today's R410A mini split air conditioners, them higher pressures and thing, after a while these copper bends getting corroded and the higher pressure causing, you know, little pores to create in it and potential leaks and eventually start a leak. So I'm prepping all of them so I can get them a little longer lasting life, you know. I try my best to prevent corrosion from happening, you know, in any short period of time and so on. Coil guard, spray all the coil. Right, I spray the whole, I spray it already now, just showing you an example of what I'm doing. Corrosion on the aluminum coils, aluminum fins. You know, because you know the quality of materials these days is not like long time. Right. After I'll get an extra paint and some rust-proof spray paint still on the copper bends mainly alone. I'll show you after. Right, so I coat the copper bends with some extra protection. Right, some rust-proof spray paint and I choose silver because I know in the long run, if it do end up with some potential leaks and leaks probably 5 years from now or something, you'll still be able to find it easily than a darker color paint. Right, so yeah, that's about it. I don't think this will reduce the efficiency of the cooling in anyhow because it's just the little copper bends here. All the aluminum is where the heat could dissipate through and the fan will suck out the hot air from the hot gas flowing through the condenser coil. Right, there's a 24,000 BTU. All mini splits are doing that with right now.